So after 12 years, my Z quill drive ball screw finally gave up. It was only a 2mm pitch, 16mm diameter NSK ball screw, so it was a very high quality one. I managed to score it second hand on eBay. I think I paid like $25 for it. It was really cheap, but it was in really good condition. So I got 12 years of use out of it. She dropped balls clean out of it. Anyway, so I've now fitted another ball screw into my Z quill. It's still a 16mm, but it's a 5mm pitch, and it's a rolled ball screw. I don't know how long that's going to last. We will see. The good advantage of this one is that I can now get 5 meters per minute travel out of this fella. So I think it's going to do well, and it's going to speed up a few of my cycle times. I'm going to give you a bit of a demo. So here we go. Doesn't really get up to the 5 meters a minute doing that drilling cycle. It gets close towards the end there, I suppose. I can certainly see a difference in the pecking speed, so let's see how long it lasts.